So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to fill invite bar on Monopoly Go iPhone. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So right here in your Monopoly Go, basically you can fill the invite bar in your Monopoly Go. So here's what's gonna look like. So let's just wait for this to pass. And here you go. So here in your invite, you can get up to 150 dices and even a special token for inviting 10 friends here in Monopoly Go. Well, it's pretty simple to invite and I'll show you how to do it. So to basically just invite, you just have to press this button and connect it with Facebook, and probably you want to sign up with new players so that they will want to get this reward too. You can convince them by doing the same also with them. So basically all you have to do is just add them right here and then just add contacts too. It's even possible by pressing this contacts button, and you can invite them by contact. So once you have invited them, you can get this 20, 60, 100 and 150 with a token reward basically. So that is how you fill the invite bar on your Monopoly Go iPhone. If you like this video, I'll see you again next time, and thank you for watching this video.